ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 First semi-final match South Africa vs New Zealand. Match played at Eden Gardens, Kolkata. New Zealand won the toss, elected to field first. South Africa team 20 overs 169 runs, lost by 8 wickets. Marco Johnson is the highest scorer, 55 runs, 30 balls. Then New Zealand team best bowling spell, Rachin Ravindra, 4 overs, no maiden, 29 runs, 2 wickets taken. New Zealand team 12.5 overs, 173 runs, lost by 1 wicket. Finn Allen is the highest scorer, 100 runs, 33 balls not out. Then South Africa team best bowling spell, Kagasu Rabada, 3 overs, no maiden, 28 runs, 1 wicket taken. New Zealand won by 9 wickets in this match. Player of the match, Finn Allen. Congratulations New Zealand cricket team.